Today we're going to be going over 1.2b, Astros 2. So first one, we're going to do our problem just like we always do. 4 plus 5 is something. So if I have 4 circles, I add 5 more circles. How many circles do I have? So 5, 6, and 8, 9. My answer is 9. 6 plus 2, I have 6 circles. I add 2 more circles, 6, 7, 8. I have 6 circles. I take away 2 circles. That leaves me with 4. How many more stars than flowers are there? So remember, when we're doing more, we're comparing. So these ones are together, these ones are together, these ones are together. How many more? There are 3 more stars than flowers. How many daisies are in the garden? So I'm going to look at daisies and I'm going to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and I'm going to fill in my square for 6.
Right, 42, you're now dismissed. Right, 42, you're now dismissed.
Ray has 2 toy cars. Martha has 6 toy cars. How many more toy cars does Martha have? Okay, so here's Ray's 2. Here's Martha's 6. How many more? These 2 are together. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 more toy cars. Flip it to the back. Look at the base 10 blocks below. Fill in the blanks to represent the number. So we're going to say 1, 2, 3, 4. I have 4 groups of 10, and I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6 ones, just like that. Draw the number 28 using tens and ones. So for 28, I have 10, 2, 3, 4, 20, and 8 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Another way you could have represented this is 2 lines and the 8. They're both the same. This is just one way to do it. This is another one. How many blocks are shown? There's 3 groups of 10 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. How many tens and ones are below? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 groups of 10s, 0 ones, making the number 50.